Hello, everyone. My name is Noah, and I'm excited to share this review with you because you deserve to know the truth about the incredible product, the ultimate off-grid generator. If you're here, it means you're seeking more information, and I promise to cover everything you need to know about this amazing device. The ultimate off-grid generator is not just another ordinary guide, it's a game changer. This comprehensive and user-friendly guide will teach you how to create electricity that is not only eco-friendly but also incredibly cost-effective. By following the step-by-step instructions and designs in this guide, you can build your very own generator, boosting your home's power output by up to 200%. The benefits are astonishing. You'll experience a drastic reduction in electricity bills, saving up to 80% or even more. But wait, there's more. The generator is powerful enough to handle all your home appliances, from refrigerators and air conditioning units to toasters, microwaves, computers, TVs, and lighting. Embrace the freedom of harnessing free, natural energy, and take control of your power consumption. Now, you might be wondering if the ultimate off-grid generator truly lives up to its promises. I can confidently say it does. Countless people, including myself, have achieved remarkable results and are completely satisfied with the program. The guide is designed for everyone, even those without any technical experience, making it simple for anyone to build their generator and experience the benefits. To give you even more confidence, the program comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, you can try it risk-free, and if you don't see the results you desire, you can get a full refund. However, I'm sure you'll love the results and never want to part with this incredible system. Before you decide to purchase the ultimate off-grid generator, please be aware that it's only available on the official website. This ensures that you receive the genuine content, full support, and all the fantastic bonuses that come with it. To make things easier for you, I'll leave the link to the official website in the video description. I genuinely hope that my review has been helpful, and I wish you the same success that I and many others have experienced with the ultimate off-grid generator. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Let's empower ourselves with green energy and create a brighter future together.